Here's a quick little vellum tip. So if you're using 3D embossing folders, which I absolutely love, if you was to put this through your 3D embossing folder, your vellum, this one is the Altenew Decorative Florals, gorgeous. But if you just put that through, like so, popped it in there, it's going to come out. Chances are it might rip, because this is a 3D folder, so there's a lot more depth in there, a lot more pressure. So if we put it on a piece of cardstock, and then I'm just going to pop that in there. My vellum is slightly wider than my cardstock for no particular reason, other than I haven't trimmed it down. Let's get it straight, that would help, wouldn't it? Dearie me. Right, get that on there, just line it up where you think you'd like it. Let's come over a little bit and then close that down, and then let's go. I can never adapter, my thin die adapter, and then a clear plate on top. Run it through. Not sure if you could see that. Don't know if I was in the way of the camera. Let's just move this out of the way. And then we have got a beautiful 3D vellum, and it's not got any tears or rips in it. And then we've also got another piece that we can play with. I love just plain white and then a sentiment. I think it looks gorgeous. But if you want to colour your vellum, I always think one of the best ways, let's just grab, is to turn it over, and let's do a bit of what we got. Let's go. Now let's go some of me faves. Let's have a bit of Aquatini. I'm just going to pick up some colour and I'll whiz through these. Flip it over, and then you've got that. Now you can just start blending in those colours. So bring those in so you haven't got that harsh line in there. So just come up around it and just flip over, and then you can see where you're at. That looks better. I'm just going to give a little bit of that there. That looks much nicer. Okay, I will let that dry before I adhere it with some vellum tape, and then we're good to go. So the other thing you can do, you've got this one. Like I say, you could leave it completely white, which is just gorgeous. I love just pure white. You could just take your sponge thingy, I can never know the names, and just start bringing in a little bit of colour. So just don't press too heavy. And this looks lovely as well. So you're just picking up those 3D areas very, very lightly. There we go. A little bit more over there. Bit there. And that's pretty gorgeous. And then I'll just make those into cards. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.